Hi, I'm Peter Chirico with Chirico Physical Therapy and Wellness. Welcome to our website. If you've clicked on this video, chances are you have some questions about what we do. We have recently published a free frequently asked questions guide that can help you in this regard. It's important for you to help you understand what type of physical therapy and physical therapist is right for you. It's understandable at this point in your journey that you have concerns about what is the right thing to do. People are naturally, and other patients that we've had are naturally at this stage afraid that to make a misstep that might set them back or delay their recovery. It's important to understand that not all physical therapy and not all physical therapists are alike. Some people have training or experience in a certain area that may not be a fit for you, and others have treatment approaches that may not be what you need. Before we go there, it's important to know a little bit about who we are and what we do, or about what we are. I've been a physical therapist since 1976 and in private practice since 1979. We specialize in treating patients in their 30s, 40s, 50s, and beyond that are active, fit, mobile, and involved in the community and on the go and want to stay that way. They like to take walks, play tennis, jog, hike, spend time with their family, take vacations, spend time with their grandchildren. It's important that to them that they stay active, mobile, pain and medication free, and they don't want to be a burden to their family and or loved ones. People definitely do not want to have any pains, headaches, soreness, stiffness, aching anywhere in their body, nor do they want to have any difficulty with walking activities that could limit their freedom and independence. These are the types of people who want our help. They come to us because either they know of us or they're not happy with the typical advice that they receive from their family physician. That usually goes something along these lines. Go home and take this pain and or anti-inflammatory medication, i.e. that we all know can cause all kinds of unwanted side effects, and relax and don't do anything. Well, this kind of old, antiquated advice just doesn't cut it today for a lot of people, regardless of their age. People today are active, involved, and on the go, and want to do things and want to stay that way. Is it any wonder that people are put in this position when a recent study showed that only 7% of patients seen by family physicians for musculoskeletal problems are referred to a physical therapist for treatment and natural solutions to their problems? People want to receive evidence-based, proven, and effective natural treatments to their problems to help them either regain or maintain their ability to do things. They want to be able to come and go as they please and do what they want. They deserve to be pain and medication free and active and independent, and they want their life back. The frequently asked questions guide that you're about to get will help answer any nagging questions or doubts that you have in your mind about what to do, when to do it, and who to do it with. It will help you find the right physical therapist for you who is capable of helping you solve your problems and that you'll enjoy spending your time with. Before you spend your money and time, please take the trouble to read the testimonials of people just like you who were so happy with our services that they wanted to share their experiences. If you'd like a copy of the Frequently Asked Questions report, please just fill out the form, click on the button, and it will be sent to you. I want to thank you for your time, and we look forward to meeting you, and we wish you a pain and medication-free recovery, and I want to wish you a good day. Bye-bye.